out of here. That's so good.
Hey, let's talk about keto. A lot of women on keto don't realize they're actually doing a men's keto diet. Super high protein, lots of meat, and no desserts. Women need a keto plan that's designed specifically for women. Otherwise, it could wreak havoc on our hormones. Our body type is completely different from men. In fact, everyone has their own unique body type, which means that no diet is truly a one-size-fits-all. That's why I developed the Conscious Keto Body Type Quiz.
I've lost 39.6 pounds.
I lost 80 pounds.
I am down over 100 pounds. My doctor is very proud.
I did it. I lost a bunch of inches.
I went from a size 10 in jeans to a size 4.
I have lost 5 pounds. 5 pounds over the holidays when people usually gain 10 to 15.
It's really easy. I can't believe how easy it is. It's adaptable to go out if you want to go out to eat. I mean, there are many choices you can make.
I'm able to throw cheese and bacon, and I can have ranch dressing or Caesar dressing.
And I dropped an entire pant size.
I'm a nurse. I tend to wear the same clothes over and over again. Everything was just fitting better. I had a couple people actually compliment me and say, "Are you doing something different?"
With the right plan in place, losing weight is as easy as eating your favorite foods. You just need to know when to eat them and in what amounts. Take my Conscious Keto Body Type Quiz for free right now. It calculates your body type and determines a keto plan that fits your specific needs. Don't try keto without taking the quiz first. It will make all the difference.